Welcome to USA Tech Picks. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 high-performance drones that bring stunning aerial shots and cutting-edge features to your fingertips. Let's dive in. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia M6 drone, a powerful 8K professional drone built for creators and explorers. Capture stunning Ultra HD aerial footage with its 8K camera and enjoy real-time visuals on the large-screen remote controller. With 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you'll experience smooth, lag-free video streaming even at long distances. The M6 is equipped with intelligent flight modes, GPS positioning, and stable altitude hold, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Its foldable design ensures easy portability while brushless motors guarantee reliable performance in the air. Whether you're filming landscapes or tracking motion, the Xiaomi M6 delivers pro-level results. Next up, the P15 Pro drone, an advanced 4K HD quadcopter built with a dual camera system for dynamic aerial photography. Its smart obstacle avoidance technology helps prevent crashes, making every flight safer and smoother. The P15 Pro uses optical flow positioning to stabilize your footage while in flight, even in low-altitude conditions. It features a foldable, portable design and supports easy one-key takeoff and landing, perfect for beginners. Its dual camera setup lets you switch views effortlessly and capture your adventures from different angles. With up to 15 minutes of flight time, this drone is a solid pick for creators and hobbyists alike. Meet the S2S Mini drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for high-resolution aerial videography. Despite its mini size, this drone features an impressive 8K HD camera and brushless motors for efficient and quiet operation. It offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, allowing you to shoot longer and fly farther. Built-in obstacle avoidance and optical flow stabilization give you smoother, smarter flying, even indoors or in tight spaces. The foldable design makes it ultra-portable, perfect for travel, vlogging, or spontaneous content creation. Whether you're a beginner or experienced pilot, the S2S Mini delivers a premium flying experience in a pocket-sized package. The L900 Pro drone offers high-end features at an affordable price. Equipped with dual 4K HD cameras, GPS positioning, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV, this drone ensures crystal-clear footage and a stable flying experience. The brushless motors provide strong wind resistance and smoother control. With a massive 1.2-kilometer control range, you can explore vast areas and capture wide-angle shots like never before. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while intelligent flight functions like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and gesture control enhance your creative flexibility. Whether you're shooting travel content or exploring new landscapes, the L900 Pro has the tools to deliver. Finally, check out the Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max drone, the perfect mix of performance and portability. With 4K dual cameras, brushless motors, and 5G FPV support, this drone is made for professionals and enthusiasts who demand sharp footage and responsive controls. Its intelligent flight features include GPS return to home, altitude hold, and point of interest tracking, making every shot cinematic and controlled. The brushless motors reduce noise and improve durability, while the foldable frame makes it great for travel. With real-time FPV and gesture controls, capturing epic moments has never been easier. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your favorite drone in the comments below. We post the best tech reviews and budget gear every week, so don't forget to subscribe to USA Tech Picks and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.